just left and we are waiting for a friend here. We are just waiting here. Yeah, it's not cold, that cold, but yes, my parents were feeling cold, so I'm wearing a sweater. Actually, a jacket.
2 minutes later.
He's late by 10 minutes. उसका फोटोशूट है ये आगे रखने का ये वाला मुझे रेडी होना मुझे भी रेडी होना अरे बेवकूफ. So that is Harsh. He's also going to come with us.
He's coming.
I've introduced. This is my sister. This is my brother-in-law.
Harsh vlog में आ रहा है.
हम just अभी सुबह में पहुँचे यहाँ पे and the location is amazing.
Say hi to cow. Hi.
It's like 6:45 right now.
इधर पे नहीं दोनों
It's wonderful. So we just got ready. Like not we are just like
She's ready.
we are just the squad boys and girls here. They just got ready. And the location is really beautiful, but it took us like a lot of scares and a lot of fuck all.
Us 1.5 hours to be
Yeah.
precise to reach.
It was very bad.
But the 1.5 hours was interesting to say the least. I mean, इतनी सी सड़क में लोग
और मुझे तो भूत दिख गया.
यहाँ पे
I swear मुझे तो भूत दिखा लिटरली.
यहाँ पे पता नहीं लोगों में क्या है. लोग 5 बजे में यहाँ पे दौड़ने जा रहे हैं और एक नहीं दो नहीं झुंड जा रहा है.
और यहाँ पे यीशु के फॉलोअर्स बहुत ज्यादा.
That is not it.
Yeah.
हाँ,
We
too
just
many.
found only one शिवजी का मंदिर that in like almost 25 minutes, right?
Yes.
एक ही मंदिर था बस, बाकी पूरा यीशु का लोगों ने लाइटें लगा रखी है, पता नहीं. वाह.
But the beautiful house is beautiful lights. Better
Thanks.
than some parts of Mumbai. Huh?
This is
Better. So. This looks like a Pokemon with yours.
I know, it's very pretty. Oh, it matches you.
Huh?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Right.
So they have changed one outfit and
I like this about them. बहुत फटाफट काम कर रहे हैं.
who the people there, right? The photographers.
Photographer.
I'll put the link down below if anyone is interested. They are very quick. I like people like that. They are like, okay, fine. What do you have? Like, change. So it's just 8:25 now. And we are already at second
Pair of
clothes. Yeah, second.
change.
Yeah. And it's wonderful, to be very honest.
And like they're doing a good job honestly.
Yeah, they took really nice
Photos बहुत
photos.
अच्छा है.
And they have ideas also. So they are only saying, ki, you have, this is the shot. We are
That is, I guess, the best part of a photography. You don't have to, worry about
They are only telling. So
poses.
they are doing, see now also, if I don't know if you can see, so they have drone also, and then they have cameras also and everything.
They've got like a videographer, a photographer, and a drone guy.
Everything all at once. So yeah. So now the sun is shining bright.
Sun is shining and so
And people are playing
you.
football also.
Good guy.
Wow.
2v2.
Amazing. So yeah. I just had a sandwich, like one sandwich, and Harsh did not.
Yeah, not agree.
Because Harsh is doing शनिवार.
Fast.
Yeah. मेरी जितनी भी ऑडियंस उनको मालूम है शनिवार मतलब उसने उपवास रखा.
प्यारा यशु वाला फ्रेंड होगा उसका क्या?
Please don't do that. Please let's not talk about religion on my channel.
You did that first.
But I was just telling them what kind of locality this is.
See, nice.
So this is like an hour later. हम दोनों बोर हो गए.
It's like 8:57 in the morning. वी आर वंडरिंग कि हम क्या करें. हम यहाँ पे आ तो गए एंड वो गांव खेड़े में कहीं पे पानी के अंदर फोटो
Like,
निकाल रहे
I don't think so even if we are able to make out where they are, but yeah.
हैं. Just watching 4 guys play. There's a team of Madrid guy and another guy. It seems like a local jersey ka shot, and then there's this other guy. Both are in Barca jerseys, so that's almost like a Madrid versus Barca 2v2 going on here. Don't know who's winning, but it's good to watch.
At least something to watch. I never thought I would ever get bored on a beach, and
But this is what getting bored on a beach looks like.
because maybe we have woken up at 5 o'clock.
No,
Not
you
even
woke
5.
4 o'clock.
I woke up at 3:45.
एंड वो जस्ट ने तो मेरे को 3:30 बजे में उठा दिया. मैंने बोला सोने दे भाई मेरे को, क्या इतना जल्दी उठा. तो
I
बोलता मैं
woke-
सोया नहीं हूँ रात भर. मैंने बोला तू नहीं सोया तो मेरे को तो सोने दे.
I woke up at 3:45, and
You
then-
woke up so early. For a
Yeah.
person who was not supposed to take a bath, was just supposed to wash their face and come.
and yet I woke up at 3:45. Then I made tea and I was just doing time pass. Then I got hungry, so I had chakli. Yeah.
And now you got hungry, so you had a sandwich.
What
We should have gotten something to do with us. ये देख एक और दोगेश भाई आ गए.
बुक लेके आते नहीं, बुक पढ़ते तो
हाँ.
डॉगिश.
मैं आता हूँ. मैं देख
So
रहा हूँ location
it's
में.
2 o'clock right now, and we finished shooting in, I guess, 3 outfits. Yeah, 3 outfits. And they are right behind, and they are trying to hide. So
इतना मोएकली चाहिए मैं location.
we just reached. No, it's supposed to be authentic. It's not supposed to like scripted or something. Anyway,
But तू
so
हिंदी में बोलना, तेरी ऑडियंस बढ़ेगी. अंग्रेजी में क्यों बात करनी है?
can someone just let me complete my train of thought?
ठीक है बोल.
Anyway, so in between we did not vlog because we were very bored of everything, and now and now we just had food. There was this one place we found on Zomato and it was really nice. We just had food, and now we have reached one new place. It's amazing. I'll show you guys in a minute.
लोकेशन दू क्या?
10-15 मिनट में आते हो तो भेज नहीं मोकलू जैसे तो ब्लैक पहन के रेडी हो जाते हैं. आ जाओ तुम लोग, कर लेते हैं.
ठीक है, चेंज कर लेता हूँ. तो मैंने आपको लोकेशन भेजा है, तो वो हाँ वो सीधा जाते हैं, उसके बदले एक राइट है,
लेके गूगल मैप से लोकेशन
प्रॉपर
आप
रोड आ जाएगा. तो ये ट्रीज वाला है वहाँ पे.
और सब इधर फोटोशूट ही चालू है सबका.
ओके ओके.
So yeah, we just got out. Yeah, you say.
So you just got a perfect place to take some amazing photos
Yeah.
right here. Very secluded, not so secluded because बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे एक ही चीज करने आते हैं.
Ma. Anyways, yeah.
And that is not what you think, but it's pre-wedding photo shoots.
Yeah.
So-
And no, we are not trying to promote any kind of stuff like that. But anyways, so it's really amazing. We took our photos, and you can check out on an Instagram. If I'm posting, I'll post my Instagram here, or I'll post the photos here. We took really amazing photos, and look at this. Oh my god, it's so
But we should
beautiful.
actually go here. यहाँ से बता. See, epic आ रहा है.
Such amazing angle. Like we could just keep on vlogging here. It's such
You
an
just need
amazing.
something to vlog.
You just comment if you want to know about this place. I'll just put the Google link and something maps link.
There's a very similar spot, but it does not include all these
Yeah,
trees that
yeah,
you see
actually.
in the background. But
So yeah,
it's so secluded that you can have all the photo shoot you want
it's really amazing.
in the best outfits you can have.
And the weather is also really
Oh,
nice.
lovely!
Yeah.
Around it's
We-
peak afternoon and it's like barely 28 degrees.
We've slept like 2 hours,
Oh yes,
and yet we are like this.
fresh and energy. I
Fresh.
mean, we were really bored, but then
yeah.
we went. We had some nice lunch. Unexpectedly good food.
Yeah,
man.
actually.
Very little place. This is like almost bordering of a small town. It's not even a proper town. It's like a mix of a village and a town. And the food here is so good.
Very good.
It's very tasty.
I'll show you all the place. See, these are the beautiful trees and everything. It's amazing, and then this is the whole beach. Amazing, and this goes long and on for like the stretch is very big. So you have. So this is our last shot of the day.
Successful day.
Yeah. And
Good day.
see, they are doing their shoot, and this is the sunset. It's
The
beautiful,
BTS of
and it's crowded a little bit. But yeah,
BTS of Karina and just
this is
Mamta
pretty
Auraj.
much the last shoot, and I'm going to shoot the outro also right now. Oh, someone's just waiting. Anyway, so thank you
Reels
so
have to
much.
reshoot this, I guess.
So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to know more about the location and everything else, please comment down below. And yeah,
Good day. Successful day actually.
actually we still have to drive 2 hours back, and that is the
Bombay traffic.
that is the hard part yet. Yeah, but it's beautiful. This is the view. It's amazing. So bye.
Good. See you.